and welcome to the video today. We're on day 3 of putting the boat together. Today we're going to be doing a lot of wiring by the looks of it and all sorts of things like that, and possibly something with the A-frame going on. Let's get into it. So we fitted what's called the scuppers. What these do is stop water going in by closing the flap. When water rushes out, the flap lifts up and all the water comes straight out the back. Good military design. It is time to put the bilge pumps in. We're going to have 2 bilge pumps, one manual switch from the front, and then one has got like a float switch, which I'll show you in a second. And yeah, just in case one doesn't work, we've got a second one. Always have backup. You don't want sink out there. So here's the float switch. So this end gets screwed into the hull, and then as the water level fills, it goes up and turns the bilge on. Nice and simple. While Dan is finishing off little bits with wiring and whatnot, which I'll show you in a minute. I haven't been able to show you much because, well, there's only a little hole he's working in, so there's not much you can see. He's just shouted at me to cut it straight. Basically, we're starting off making the brackets for the A-frame which we're putting on. And I've got to cut these lines straight or else I'm in trouble. So, let's go. And what is the A-frame for? Well, basically, you're going to put a plate on top here. This is where the VHF aerial goes, and also the all-round white anchor for anchoring or power, whatever, underway, whatever you use it for at the time. And then you put plates on here also for the starboard and the port lights. So really, that's what an A-frame is for, just mounting lights on and putting your aerial on. Also, you just complete the boat that little bit with the look. Sorry about the noise, by the way. There's a big heater next to me. It's quite cold in the workshop, so it's snowing outside, so we've got to make the most of it. has fabricated the brackets for the starboard and port lights, as well as a radio mount, an anchor light, steaming light, and of course the GoPro mount. And we're back in the light, we're back in the outside. All the electronics have been done. Now I'm not going to show you what's been done because I've got to paint the deck next. I'm going to show you everything when it's ready. It'll only be next week or the week after. But keep you wanting more, eh? Well, I've got to do something just to tease you. But right now we've got it back at home, and there's one more job left to do, and that is paint the deck with a gritty type flow coat, whatever they put in it to make it grippy. Little palette things, I think. And yeah, so I'm going to get on with that, and then that is the last job until it goes and has the engine fitted. Excited. That is it for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will be showing everything on the next video of what we've done, and then it's time to get out on the water. Hopefully, we'll see. But for now, thank you ever so much. Please like, subscribe and all that jazz, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.